Bhakti and Sufi saints emphasized true faith over formal religious observance. Definitely, the statement is right. Their teachings contributed to the development of regional languages and literature. Yes, the vernacular languages. That's why they were so appealing to the people, because they were teaching in very local languages, right? They actively promoted rational sciences and technological innovation. No, they promoted the spiritual upliftment, the ethical upliftment of the people, but nothing as such. Which foreign invaders' entry into India in the 18th century signaled the weakening of the Mughal Empire and opened the path for European domination. It is your Nadir Shah. Okay, he was a ruler of Persia, modern day Iran. Yeah, if in the invade, okay, this is enough.